I tried making money with AI for 24 hours, starting from absolute zero. No audience, no clients, no experience, just me and AI. And by the end of these 24 hours, one of two things was going to happen. Either I make real money, or I prove that everything you see online about making money with AI is just hype. So I gave myself one strict rule: I can only use AI. No shortcuts, no outside help, no previous connections, just AI in action. And what happened next completely changed the way I look at making money online. So I started with a very simple goal, not $100, not anything crazy. It was just $10, because if I can make $10, that means the system works. And if the system works, I can repeat it. And if I can repeat it, I can scale it. Good. But there was one big problem. I didn't know where to start. There were too many options, too many methods, too many people saying different things. And honestly, it felt overwhelming. I opened different AI tools, typed random prompts, tried copying what others were doing, watched a few tutorials, and still nothing made sense. Everything felt scattered, no clear direction, no real result. And after a while, I started feeling frustrated, like maybe this just doesn't work. Maybe all those videos are just showing the best case, not the reality. And this is the exact moment where most people quit. But instead of quitting, I asked myself one simple question: what do people actually pay for? Not what AI can do, but what people actually need. And the answer was surprisingly simple. Businesses need content. Every single day, captions, emails, ads, script. And most of them don't have time to create it. That's when everything started to make sense. So instead of trying to do something complicated, I focused on something simple. First, using AI to create content. I started with captions. I gave AI clear instructions, not random prompts, but specific ones. For example, write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners. And within seconds, I had results. Not perfect, but good enough to improve. So I edited them, adjusted the tone, made them more human, and suddenly I had something valuable. Now came the real challenge: finding someone who would actually pay for this, because creating something is one thing, selling it is something else. So I went to platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, created a simple profile, no fancy design, no complex description, just clear and simple. I help businesses create content using AI. And then I started reaching out. One message, then another. And for a while, nothing happened. No replies, no orders, no results. And I won't lie, this part was frustrating, because it feels like you're doing everything right, but still getting nothing. And this is the exact point where most people stop. But I kept going, just a few more messages, just a little more effort, because I knew if this works even once, everything changes. And then finally, I got a reply. A small business owner needed help with Instagram captions. Simple task, nothing complicated. I used AI, generated multiple options, edited them, made them better, and sent it. And after that, I got paid. Not a huge amount, but it was real. And that's when everything clicked. Making money with AI is not about doing something crazy. It's not about building apps. It's not about being a genius. It's about doing simple work faster than everyone else. Most people fail, not because AI doesn't work, but because they never reach this point. They overthink, they wait, they try for 1 or 2 days and quit. But the people who succeed just keep going a little longer. So here's the truth: you don't need perfect skills, you don't need perfect knowledge, you don't need anything complicated. You just need to start. Take simple work, use AI, deliver results, and repeat, because this actually works. And if you want more real methods like this, simple ways to make money with AI, then make sure to subscribe, because I'll be sharing everything step by step.